Hi, my name's Ash. I'm a doctor from the UK and I've been thinking about doing a course for probably about 2 years now. And then actually, funnily enough, an author that I follow recommended Writis and the Thrive course team. To be honest, the whole team has just been fantastic. When I arrived, I wasn't really sure what to expect, but everyone really put me at ease and actually made the process so easy. I mean, I genuinely just felt like I'd been doing this my whole life. During the process, when I was thinking about going ahead with it, Writis was so supportive and met with me at times when I was having real difficulty as to whether I was going to go ahead with it or whether I could even afford the course. And that's really what made me want to come all the way from the UK. Because, there are other companies in the UK that I could have gone with and stayed local. This time, I just needed to get it right. I didn't want to take any risks, and it just felt like this was the best chance that I would get to make this course the best it can possibly be. And that's what I want really, to make the most outstanding course that I possibly can. And that's why I know that the Thrive team and everybody involved has just been so great and really done everything they can to make it a truly special course.